Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are filming my Medusa's makeup unboxing for January 2023, the first of the year. Before we get into that, I did want to show you guys that I am wearing the Urban Decay Moon Dust eyeshadow in Cosmic that I shared in my vlog, and it does exactly what I wanted it to do. It just looks like my eye with a galaxy on it, like my eye, but super shimmery. I'm obsessed. I love this. Love it. I'm also wearing one of my new shirts I thrifted, which I also love. Everything's just so me today. Now the black nails, or these are actually dark purple nails, I feel like they don't really fit in, but I still love them. Anyway, let's go ahead and see what came in the Medusa's makeup bag for this month. So according to the card, we'll be getting 5 products this month. It looks like the theme is female founded, maybe? Or maybe there isn't a theme. It's hard to tell. But the card's pretty cute with the black outline drawings. So let's get into it. They did send another one of these daggone bags again. I can't stand these bags. It's gonna drive me nuts. I do not need another one of these. Although I've done really good getting rid of them. I've been putting crap in them to give away to my friends, so done a good job getting rid of them so far, but I do not like continuing to get them. That's just me. Maybe you like the bags. I know some of you just think they're crap too, so it is what it is, but it's not counted as an item. First item I've pulled out here is a black scrunchie, and there's like a zipper on it. That's interesting. Let's read about this. So this is a velour scrunchie with a hidden zipper pocket, and it says this is a $10 value. This actually counts as one of our items, which I don't like. That feels cheap to me. It's just a cheap little scrunchie. There's no way I could ever actually use this practically in my hair because the zipper would eat my hair up. So I'm probably just going to throw this into the giveaway because this is something I can't even use. I don't like this at all. Feels like a waste. It says it's a $68 value. If it's counting that as $10, we're down to a $58 value because this probably cost them 2 cents to make. Okay, not off to a great start. Let's grab another item. We have an eyeshadow here. Let me go ahead and get the plastic off. This is the plastic's like stuck to my hand. This is the Medusa's Makeup Baked eyeshadow in the color My Bad, which is a $14 value. Fairly certain I don't have this color, so that's exciting. Here's what it looks like. In the viewfinder, it's like brown but red. I don't know. It's a very interesting to look at. I can't really pinpoint how it's going to look applied just by looking at it, but let's go ahead and give it a swatch. Ooh. I feel like used lightly, or if you have deeper skin, you can even use that as a shiny blush. Kind of a highlighting blush. That's a really pretty color. I like that. I like that a lot. It's like coppery but pinky, but darker than that. It's just really interesting. I can't wait to use that. Okay, the next item to pull out of the bag is from So Susan Cosmetics. This is their Cashmere Matte Long Lasting Matte Lipstick. And this is in the color, I don't know, there's just an S on the top. Let's see. It says various, so I wonder if you're gonna get a different one depending on just how they shoved them in the bags. And it says it's a $21 value. Okay. Let's open it up and take a look. It looks like I got the color Chestnut, which is kind of a brownie looking color. Let's see how it swatches. There's definitely a bit of red in there, but it definitely leans into the brown family. I don't know how that'll look on me. I don't know if I've done like a really red brown. So I'm very curious to play with that and see how that goes. I could see why these are in the same bag. I feel like that would be a really beautiful cohesive look. And once again, I really think that this color Chestnut specifically would look gorgeous on dark skinned ladies, or gentlemen, you know, we don't judge around here. But anyway, because it just looks like it would be a beautiful My Lips but better kind of luscious color for dark skin. It's really pretty. So I can't wait to try this. Alright, next item we have is from Lovebird. This is the Rose All Day Facial Toner. Brightens and soothes skin. I feel like we've gotten a facial toner from Lovebird before. I don't know if it was this Rose All Day one or not. I don't remember. But I'm probably not going to be using this because of the rose water and the scentedness. I'm going to just throw this in the giveaway box as well. Last item in the bag. And it looks like it's a glitter. Let's see. This is the Medusa's Makeup Glitter in Shooting Star. And it just occurred to me, I did not tell you how much this toner was. So the toner is a $14 value, and then the glitter is a $9 value. I don't like swatching glitters. I'm pretty sure I don't have Shooting Star. I don't have one quite this white. But I will definitely let you guys know when I use this in a future video, because I don't want to just swatch it and let it get everywhere. But it is a really pretty white glitter. It looks like pretty true too. It doesn't seem like it has any duochromes or reflex. So that should be really fun to try. Excited about that. Okay, now let's take stock of the box. I don't think this should have counted as a product. This feels like throwaway to me. Feels like junk. Maybe someone out there would be really excited about this and would use it to keep a key or some cash in or something. I'm not going to use this realistically. For me, a scrunchie is a practical matter to put my hair up, and that's about it. So, not wild about this, and I don't think it should have counted as a product. It should have been an extra freebie. And I'm also not in love with this. I don't like when skincare products have a ton of fragrance in them. And you know, rose, even if it's just rose water, super fragrant. So, not wild about those. But these 3 actual makeup products that came, I am very excited about. The 2 that I swatched are beautiful colors, and it's always fun to try a new glitter. I especially being a neutral galley, you guys know, I like things more natural. Generally, like a lighter, cleaner face. So this shade of glitter should be kind of fun to play with. So 3 out of 5 things are okay. I'm not wild about those numbers. I think there could have been some better stuff. Even with this actually being a full-size product, I'll give them that. This is not. This is junk. This is a throwaway. Not fond of that. So keeping all of that in mind, I'm going to give it a B-. I think this could have been a lot better. While I am really excited about the makeup that did come, I almost feel like this is a 4-item bag and not a 5-item bag. And that, sorry about that. And that is, I feel like we were cheated a little this month, which is not cool. So that's my thoughts on the Medusa's makeup bag for January, especially after December really hit it out of the box. The structure of this just doesn't, it's not great. Because even if you did like this, so 4 products, you're still getting cheated out of product because this is kind of junk. So, meh. Well, that's my opinion on this month's bag. I'd love to know what your thoughts are down below. What do you think of this little throwaway item? I feel like we were a little cheated. And if you would like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. If you enjoyed the video, you can give this a thumbs up. And otherwise, I'll talk to you all later. Bye.